Trucklight is a worldwide manufacturer of head and tail lights. Here in Wellsboro, PA,
we have one of the most diverse and unique manufacturing plants. Let's meet some of the hard-working staff here at Trucklight.
Hi, my name is Troy Allwine. I'm the plant manager here at Trucklight Wellsboro. I oversee day-to-day operations, and I've been with the company for 9 years.
Hi, my name is Tammy Burdick. I am a senior industrial engineer for Trucklight Wellsboro, Pennsylvania. I have been working for this facility for 38 years.
My name is Cameron Bowen. I'm a process engineer here at Trucklight Wellsboro. I've worked at Trucklight now going on 9 years.
What makes Trucklight unique?
What makes Trucklight unique is the innovative product design and manufacturing processes that we have in our facility, such as sonic welding, vibration welding, circuit board assembly, and epoxy dispensing.
Do you have any advice for kids who want to pursue a career in this industry?
Yes, stay in school, go to college, and get a degree so you can be like an engineer or something in a place like this, or you can just be an operator like I am. There's a lot of cool things to learn here, and they ain't manufacturing at all.
Trucklight creates lights, light mounts, harnesses, reflectors, and alarms and switches.